Are you on the hunt for a versatile, powerful, and efficient deep fryer to elevate your home cooking? This Vexon 1800 watts electric deep fryer might just be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Designed to bring professional style frying to your home, this fryer is packed with features that make cooking your favorite fried foods a breeze. In this detailed review, we will explore everything the Vexon deep fryer has to offer, from its design and functionality to its performance and ease of use. By the end, you'll see why this deep fryer is a game-changer for home chefs. The first thing you'll notice when unboxing the Vexon 1800 watts electric deep fryer is its sleek and sturdy design. The stainless steel body not only looks modern and stylish, but also ensures durability. The fryer comes with 3 interchangeable baskets, a large 5-liter oil capacity, and a detachable cool touch handle. The components are easy to assemble, and the fryer is ready for use within minutes. The Vexon deep fryer features a robust stainless steel construction that promises long-lasting performance. Its 5-liter oil capacity is perfect for frying large portions, making it ideal for family meals or entertaining guests. The 3 baskets, 1 large and 2 smaller ones, provide versatility, allowing you to fry different foods simultaneously without mixing flavors. The lid with a view window is a standout feature, letting you monitor the cooking process without opening the fryer and risking hot oil splatters. The fryer also has a detachable cool touch handle, ensuring safe handling even when the fryer is hot. At the heart of the Vexon deep fryer is a powerful 1800-watt heating element. This ensures quick and even heating, delivering perfectly fried food every time. The separate temperature control knob allows you to adjust the heat precisely, ranging from 130 degrees Celsius to 190 degrees Celsius. This flexibility is perfect for frying a wide range of foods, from delicate fish fillets to hearty French fries. The adjustable temperature control is a key feature of the Vexon deep fryer. It gives you the ability to fine-tune the frying temperature to achieve the perfect cooking results. Whether you're preparing crispy chicken wings, golden brown onion rings, or homemade donuts, you can set the temperature to suit the specific needs of each dish. One of the biggest challenges of frying at home is dealing with the mess. The Vexon deep fryer addresses this issue with its thoughtful design. The frying baskets clip to the side of the fryer, allowing excess oil to drain off easily. This results in healthier fried food and minimizes mess. The lid with a view window helps contain splatters and reduces the lingering smell of fried food in your home. Cleaning the Vexon deep fryer is straightforward and hassle-free. The detachable non-stick enameled pot, cool touch handle, and other removable components can be easily cleaned. It's important to let all parts cool down completely before cleaning to ensure safety and maintain the longevity of the appliance. The removable parts are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup even more convenient. Safety is a top priority with the Vexon deep fryer. The magnetic breakaway cord is an innovative feature that enhances safety by preventing spills and accidents. If the cord is accidentally tugged, it easily detaches from the fryer, reducing the risk of hot oil spills. The cool touch handles ensure that you can safely handle the fryer and the baskets, even when they're hot. The Vexon 1800 watts electric deep fryer excels in delivering restaurant-quality fried foods at home. Its powerful heating element ensures quick preheating and consistent oil temperature, resulting in perfectly fried foods with a crispy exterior and tender interior. The large capacity allows you to fry multiple portions at once, making it ideal for feeding a crowd or preparing large family meals. Whether you're frying chicken tenders, shrimp, French fries, or homemade donuts, the Vexon deep fryer delivers outstanding results every time. The adjustable temperature control and even heating make it easy to achieve the perfect frying conditions for a wide range of foods. The Vexon deep fryer is not just for frying. Its large capacity and powerful heating element make it suitable for a variety of cooking methods. You can use it to boil and steam foods as well, adding to its versatility in the kitchen. The large capacity is perfect for preparing meals for family gatherings or parties, and the 3 interchangeable baskets allow you to cook different foods simultaneously without mixing flavors. Vexon is known for its commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. The 1800 watts electric deep fryer comes with a 1-year warranty, ensuring that you can purchase with confidence. In conclusion, the Vexon 1800 watts electric deep fryer is an exceptional appliance that brings the joy of professional style frying into your home kitchen. Its powerful performance, large capacity, and thoughtful design make it an invaluable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or cooking for a crowd, this fryer delivers consistently delicious results with minimal mess and hassle. If you're looking to elevate your home cooking experience and enjoy restaurant quality fried foods at home, the Vexon 1800 watts electric deep fryer is a fantastic investment. Its versatility, ease of use, and safety features make it a standout choice for both novice and experienced cooks. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.